Good morning, students. Today we are going to begin with our next chapter, that is printing a document. See, students, a printed output of a document or an image is called a hard copy. Understand this very carefully. Hard copy means what? Whatever document you are taking out the printout, that is known as what? Hard copy. And the copy which is there in your computer, that is known as what? Soft copy. So from time to time you need hard copies of your work. Suppose whatever work you are doing in computer, in your document, if you take the printout, that is known as what? Hard copy. Just like any other word processor, MS Word provides options to print a document, analyze its preview and control the printing properties. Now, previewing and printing a document. Microsoft Word allows you to preview the document before printing. Means whatever document you are typing, before you give the command for print, Microsoft Word will allow you to preview. Preview means you can see what you have typed. That will come out in the form of printed document. So some other steps. What are the steps? You have to click on the file tab. Then you have to select the print option. A preview of your document. It will automatically appear on the right side of the window. See, if you have typed over here, on the right hand side you can see the preview of your document. So to view each page, you have to click on the arrows below the preview section present on the navigation bar. You can magnify the view of the page by using zoom slider bar at the bottom right corner of the preview section. I hope you have understood this, how to preview the document. Then controlling printing. If you want to change the default print settings, see, whenever you do anything printing, no, you need to change the settings also. So what are the steps? You have to click on the file tab, then select the print option. Choose the printer from the printer drop down list. You have to select choose the printer. Enter the number of copies in the copies box. Under the settings section, select print all pages to get the printouts of the entire document. Suppose if you want to take the printout of entire document, you have to select what? You have to select this option, print all pages. If you want to print more than one copy of a document, you can choose between the collated and uncollated options under the settings section. If there are 10 pages in a document and you want to print 5 copies, the collated option will print the complete copy of the document. Suppose 10 pages है और आपको सिर्फ 5 copies print करनी है, तो क्या होगा? जो कोलैटेड ऑप्शन है उसमें क्या होगा? इट विल प्रिंट द कंप्लीट कॉपी ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, मतलब फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 1 to 10, एंड देन इट विल अगेन स्टार्ट प्रिंटिंग द नेक्स्ट कॉपी. Whereas the uncollated option will print all the 5 copies of the first page and then print the copies of the subsequent pages likewise. Once completed, you have to click on the print button. These things you try to do when you will come in the computer lab. Okay. So this is a very small chapter. Printing specific pages. Sometimes it is required to get printouts of specific pages, a range of pages or the entire document. In such situation, you can select any of the following option. What is the option? Open the print dialog box. Click on print all pages option under the settings. A list will appear. Select the print all pages option to print the entire document. अगर आपको पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट प्रिंट करना है तो आपको क्या सिलेक्ट करना है? प्रिंट ऑल पेजेस. सिलेक्ट द प्रिंट सिलेक्शन ऑप्शन टू प्रिंट ओनली द सिलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट. मान लो आपने कोई एक पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट को सिलेक्ट किया और आपको सिर्फ उसी का प्रिंट आउट लेना है, तो क्या करना है? यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन प्रिंट सिलेक्शन. ठीक है. देन सिलेक्ट द प्रिंट करंट पेज. सपोज आपने एक वर्ड में डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप किया है और आपको सिर्फ उसी का प्रिंट आउट चाहिए, तो क्या करोगे? प्रिंट करंट पेज, मतलब जो पेज आपने स्क्रीन पे ओपन करके रखा है उसी का प्रिंट निकलेगा. नेक्स्ट इज सिलेक्ट द प्रिंट कस्टम रेंज. ये किस लिए होता है? इन दिस ऑप्शन यू कैन प्रिंट द स्पेसिफाइड रेंज ऑफ पेजेस. लाइक सपोज आपको कुछ पेजेस का प्रिंट लेना है, जैसे पेज नंबर 3 to 5 या फिर पेज नंबर 8 to 10. ओके, यू हैव टू प्रिंट 2 पेज रेंजेस, मतलब 3rd to 5 and 8 to 10. In that case, you have to give the option print custom range. After selecting the required option, click on the print button to get the printouts. So students, this chapter is completed. You have to complete this assessment part of your own in your notebook. Okay? And I will be checking at the time of practical exam. That time you have to show me the copies. Thank you for watching.